I'm Dr. Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of contemporary period. Dear friends, I have completed up to question number 301 in part up to part 14. This is part 15. डियर फ्रेंड दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम। तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 302। एवलेन बाउ सर्व्ड द रॉयल नेवी इन क्रिएट एंड ड्यूरिंग द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार। ऑप्शन ए हंगरी, ऑप्शन बी यूगोस्लाविया, ऑप्शन सी पोलैंड एंड ऑप्शन डी जर्मनी। So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is Yugoslavia. Now question number 303. Where was Evelyn Baugh educated? Option A Hertford College, Oxford, Bohol College, Cambridge, option C Trinity College, Cambridge, and option D none of the above. None of the above. So option A Hertford College, Oxford is the correct answer. Now question number 304. Evelyn Baugh's Bride Sets Revisited 1945 is the result of option A traveling experience, option B teaching experience, option C social experience, and option D army experience. Army experience. So option D army experience is the correct answer. Now question number 305. Graham Greene castigates and satirizes contemporary novel in option A The End of the Affair, option B Shades of Green, option C Our Man in Havana, and option D A Burnt Out Case. A Burnt Out Case. So option C Our Man in Havana is the correct answer. Now question number 306. Which among the following is not a collection of short stories of crime and retribution? Which among the following is not a collection of short stories of crime and retribution? Option A The Gun for Sale, option B It's a Battlefield, option C The Power and the Glory, and option D The End of the Affair. So option A The Gun for Sale is the correct answer. Now question number 307. Evelyn Baugh growing serious is shown in option A The Loved One, option B Black Mischief, option C The Go Between, and option D Sword of Honor. So option A The Loved One is the correct answer. The loved one is the correct answer. Now question number 308. Lionel Paul's Hartley shows the evocation of country, place, and people in option A When the Greenwood Laughs 1960, option B The Jacardian Tree 1949, option C The Poacher 1935, and option D The Darling Birds of May 1958. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is option C The Poacher 1935. Now question number 309. Question number 309. Yes, question number 309. Graham Greene was made the literary editor of the weekly journal The Spectator in. Graham Greene was made the literary editor of the weekly journal The Spectator in option A 1938, option B 1940, option C 1942, and option D 1943. So which one is the correct answer? Option B 1940 is the correct answer. 1940 is the correct answer. Now question number 310. His novels depict the role of sin and suffering in human lives, where divine compassion and solution are the only remedies. Who is referred to here? Option A Graham Greene, option B George Orwell, option C Evelyn Baugh, and option D Anthony Powell. Anthony Powell. So option A Graham Greene is the correct answer. Now question number 311. 311. George Orwell worked as a literary editor of the Tribune from. George Orwell worked as a literary editor of the Tribune from option A 1941 to 1944, option B 1942 to 1944, option C 1943 to 1945, option D 1943 to 1946. So which one is the correct answer? Option C 1943 to 1945 is the correct answer. Now question number 312. CP Snow is also known as, सीपी स्नो को किसके नाम से जाना जाता है? ऑप्शन ए एलियट स्नो, ऑप्शन बी लॉर्ड स्नो, ऑप्शन सी गॉड स्नो एंड ऑप्शन डी लॉर्ड इलियट, लॉर्ड इलियट. So option B, Lord Snow is the correct answer. Now question number 313. 313. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बुक इज रिटन बाय सीपी स्नो? इनमें से कौन सी बुक जो सीपी स्नो के द्वारा लिखी गई? ऑप्शन ए टाइम ऑफ होम, ऑप्शन बी द मेल कॉन्टेंट्स, ऑप्शन सी द स्लीप ऑफ रीजन एंड ऑप्शन डी द लाफिंग मैटर, the laughing matter. So option D is the correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very useful, so listen these questions again and again. Question number 314. CP Snow was a trained, option A doctor, option B scientist, option C engineer and option D architect. So CP Snow was a trained architect. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 315. The English translation of Samuel Beckett's Waiting for Godot came out in. The English translation of Samuel Beckett's Waiting for Godot came out in option A 1953, option B 1954, option C 1955 and option D 1956. So the correct answer is 1954. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 316. Which novel of William Golding deals with civilization? Which novel of William Golding deals with civilization? Option A Lord of the Flies, option B The Spire, option C Free Fall and option D Pincher Martin. Pincher Martin. So option A Lord of the Flies. Lord of the Flies novel of William Golding deals with civilization. Now question number 317. Who among the following served army in India? किसमें आर्मी इन इंडिया में सर्व किया था? ऑप्शन ए लियोनेल पोर्टल हार्टले, ऑप्शन बी जोएस कैरी, ऑप्शन सी विलियम कूपर एंड ऑप्शन डी जॉन मास्टर. सो ऑप्शन डी जॉन मास्टर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 318. which play of Samuel Beckett suggest despair of his society? Which play of Samuel Beckett suggest despair of his society? Option A End Game, option B Crave's Last Tape, option C Waiting for Godot and option D none of these. So option C Waiting for Godot is the correct answer. Now question number 319. Which novel of Kingsley MS is about a man who wants little from life? Option A Girl 20, option B One Fat Englishman, option C The Anti-Death League and option D Lucky Jim. So Lucky Jim is the correct answer. Now question number 320. Which of the following plays in is imaginatively farcical? Option A Cause Celebrate, option B The Winslow Boy, option C A Perry for a Song and option D The Browning Versions. So option C A Perry Song is the correct answer. Perry Song is the correct answer. Now question number 300 321. 321 क्वेश्चन है. विच नॉवेल ऑफ एंगस विल्सन डील विद द इशूज लाइक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी गिल्ट एंड प्रॉब्लम ऑफ लवलीनेस? Option A The Middle Age of Mrs. Elliot, option B The Old Man at the Zoo, option C Setting the World on Fire and option D Hemlock and After. So option A is the correct answer, The Middle Age of Mrs. Elliot. Now question number 322. Question number 322. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए ट्रेवलॉग बाई एंगस बिल्सन। एंगस बिल्सन के द्वारा में से कौन सा ट्रेवलॉग है? ऑप्शन ए एज इफ बाई मैजिक, ऑप्शन बी लेट कॉल, ऑप्शन सी द रॉन्ग सेट, ऑप्शन सी, ऑप्शन डी रिफ्लेक्शन इन ए राइटर्स आईज। सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 323, एंगस बिल्सन द फेमस novelist and story writer was born in, ऑप्शन ए Pretoria, option B Durban, option C Cape Town, and option D Johannesburg. So option B Durban is the correct answer. Now dear friend, this is the second last question of part 15. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हो तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 324, which of the following novel of George Orwell paints the picture of squalor and hopelessness during the Great Depression? Option A The Road to Empire, option B Animal Farm, option C 1984, and option D Keep the Spedestra Flying. So option option A, option A The Road to Begin Fire. Option A is the correct answer. Now this is the last question of this video, dear friends. 325. Which novel of George Orwell shows a love-hate attitude towards the idea of empire and the white man's burden? Option A Burmese Days. Option B Homage to Catalonian. Option C Coming Up for Air, and option D Keep the Spedestra Flying. So option A, option A Burmese Days is the correct answer. So these are some question. I hope कि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे. Thank you for watching this video, dear friends.